dapat mag-barbecue.
Sorry. Again? Seriously? Yeah!
Hi, I'm Darcy Lanavaz, president of CUPE Local 38. This spring, the workers who keep our city running were challenged to demand better. Today, I'm excited to offer my heartfelt congratulations to CUPE 38 workers across Calgary for knowing your worth, standing your ground, and securing a fair and equitable contract. And I want to thank all the Calgarians who supported us for valuing the services we proudly deliver. Finally, I want to give a special thank you to all the city workers who are working tirelessly during this water main crisis. Your efforts are greatly appreciated by all Calgarians. A message.
Yeah, how do you know?
They tell us perfectly. We ride roller coasters all over the world, thanks to the epic travel deals we find on Skyscanner.
Next to me?
Oh, what a drop.
What's the thrill of booking your next trip?
Please! Give me a chance! I never do this to you!
Save 30% off when you compare flights and rental cars.
Skyscanner. Download the ultimate travel hack today. Average savings identified by Skyscanner. Median versus cheapest price. Percentage savings may vary. I always wanted to be one of those.
No!
No, pagod.
Mula sa nakaraan. Ibibigay ko na yan. Ihahatid ko na. Sa mahigan, lahat kapit-pakit-pakinggan. Kwentong gusto ko na paminsan-minsan. Lumubog ang lakas, walang alis-alis. Ikukwento ko, babaeng nagbububotis. Araw-gabi sa gimikan, palibis-libis. Sa taon na palang nagtititiis. Kaya ngayon siya'y nagbababawi. Taga Sydney na pa, uwi-uwi. Sino ba ang lalaking di magagalit sa kanyang ano na di naaari? Australia, malinaw kung sinasabi. Kasi araw-gabi akong minamate. Sinong sabay hawak sa tako ng big bilyari.
Naglalaro ako sa laro ni
9 ball, si Nargo, pine-playball. Puwet niya ay inilagay sa table. Sabay ko asin kapatuwag.
Get it! No!
Get it! Tuloy sa aking pinapantalon. Isang bagay na tatalon-talon. Hold up! Ito na! Bilis! Pusila! sa sahig siya'y biglang dumapa. Pinakita niya sa akin ang kanyang palaka at nang hiniko silambot ng mamon. Palaka niya'y mabango at amoy sabon. Well, nagupo ng konoon sa may Malabon. Pag pinulbuhan yon, kikinis yon. Bumulusok ang kanyang testosterone. Titirahin ko to kahit pa may mirong. So kanyang palaka, mainit ang dating. Sinampal sa palko para to magising. Well,